Buongiorno, welcome to the Florence Villa. If you want to follow me, over there up those stairs are all the dormitories, and then up these mini stairs is the student center with good sofas, board games, video games. People come in here to play Super Smash Bros. And this is the communal kitchen. We have a sink, we have induction, pots and pans, some sauces, and knives for all your cooking needs. And we also have the communal fridge where people put yesterday's lunches, leftovers and Tupperwares, put their names on it, and anyone at the house can use it, but just adhere to the rules of making sure food isn't in there for too long and that you keep sanitary measures. And this is our dining hall where we're soon to have breakfast. Everyone comes here for lunch. Lunches are, what's the word? Prepared for
Meal.
us. Lunches are prepared for us, and dinners, usually people go out to grab food and explore Florence. And then we have our new espresso machine, or coffee machine.
To turn it on, you do this, and then you pick whatever drink you want, like cappuccino.
And then it works, it's magic. Very exciting.
We
Beautiful.
also have a lot of allergy-free options.
No nuts. We got some granola and some almond milk, which everyone seems to love in the house.
Hi, my name is Dustin. This right here is our world-class relaxing facility. We have a foosball machine, couches to relax on when you're out of class or in between classes. We have an espresso machine where you can get all sorts of drinks. If you don't want to get one up there, they have hot chocolates for 50 cents. We also have a vending machine where you can get different snacks if you don't feel like walking. And gum, I think.
Ready, set, go.
Right here is our ping pong table where people will come and play ping pong when they have free time. In here, we have our amazing laundry room. 3 dryers, 3 washers. You bring your own detergent. You pay 50 euros at the beginning and you get a bunch of tokens to use throughout the rest of the semester. This is our world-class weight room. You have a treadmill, an elliptical machine, a bench with dumbbells going up to 14 kilograms, which is like 30 pounds in American words.
An American.
Oh, hey! So when you're done exercising your body, it's time to exercise your mind in one of our incredible classrooms. This is Leak Classroom. It seats almost everyone in the program. We do our Secret 200 in here. We listen to Elizabeth's wise words, and just have a good time. Oh hey! I didn't see you there. Welcome to the Florence Villa Music Room. Personally, my favorite room in the house. As you can see, we have a wide variety of instruments, from the guitar, to the drums, to the cello and the violin, the ukulele, the flute. We even have our very own 2 pianos. It's very exciting in the music room. Yeah. Welcome to the library. Now if you come this way, you see one of my favorite places to study. We have these 2 big comfy chairs. If you want to just sit, relax, read a book, some earplugs if things are getting kind of loud. Then if you come this way, we have some great tables for group exercises. Love them. They're very similar to the ones back at Pepperdine. Shelves of books. Joy Kim is our librarian. She does a great job. Then if you come on this way, we have our computer room where you have 6 computers that you can do your work on if your laptop's being slow or if you don't have one. And then right behind you are the printers that we can use for free. Super exciting. I've already had to print a thing or 2 and it's been, great so far. And finally, let's go up to the dorm rooms.
1.
This is one of the rooms that you could get at the villa. you walk in, we've set up decorations. You have a desk, bunk beds. You may or may not have more than one person with you. And then you get your own little view into the courtyard.
It's a beautiful view.
And that is an amazing room right here.
And that about completes our tour for the day. Thanks.
Sit, go.
Rush Florence!